Creo que sí.
Road again.
Worst cup.
Alright, let's stop.
Go. Hey man, can you give a... Ah, you can actually move the camera.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Sí.
Necesito que se registre,
Dale,
¿ok?
dale.
Pasen adelante.
Wow, ¿qué es
Una
eso?
mezcla de países.
Una mezcla de países. ¿Qué es esto aquí?
Es un tigrillo.
Oh my god.
¿Qué pasa con el gato? Gatito.
¿Qué es aquí?
Chicos, necesito que se registren, por favor.
Listo.
La entrada del volcán.
Listo.
¿Y sabes algo sobre la caminata?
Sí, amigo, no es peligroso, ¿ok?
Ok.
Dale.
Genial,
Qué
genial.
extraño.
Ok, pero ¿cuánto tiempo más o menos?
3 horas de
¿Para ir
camino.
y volver?
No, 3 horas de subida y 2 horas de bajada. En total son 5 horas.
Listo.
Pero ustedes son muy altos, pueden caminar más rápido.
Ok.
El sendero es seguro.
Ujú.
Van a encontrar 4 miradores. Entonces, el camino.
Aquí.
Sí.
Gracias.
Que les vaya bien.
Chao.
Adiós. Nos vemos.
On the road again. Yeah. Kind of lives down there, so.
Can I put my phone into your bag so I can get it from the Done?
That's pretty good. Pretty pretty.
Incredible.
What happened with Roger? Like those cortisol. Yeah, of course. I also was pretty fine that I did not. Yeah? Yeah, because at some point I was pretty exhausted. Thought maybe. Just actually bikepacking, traveling. Pretty cool. Like, I want to do that.
Está bien cargado.
Sí, feliz viaje, amigo.
Buen trabajo. Wow.
Hit all the entire.
We're sweating. I think all of us. I'm sweating for sure.
Oh yeah. Qué bonito, bonito, suavecito. Wow.
This is the first stop.
All the way to the top.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Little Sandy.
Good one.
Nice.
But where are they then on the boat? And they kind of like something in the US when he went like again back to Belize. Yeah.
Shine a UV light on him.
Let's have some PTSD of just stairs.
Funny fungi have like a blue.
Yeah. These? They look better.
And closer.
Nobody.
Illegal, but like as it's truffle and just.
Do it, bro. Full send.
I want to get in it.
How good of an idea it is.
Maybe let me try this one.
No, that's super sketch.
That's a
Because you're gonna come back and hit your legs on this thing, on your platform. Well, you should try. Whoa.
Yeah, careful of your head, hon.
Oh.
Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get in it. Don't let me go, okay?
Oh, I know.
Opa.
Right.
Okay. Don't swing me far.
Oh, I know. Really?
Yeah. It's actually how good. Wow. It's actually really nice.
How do I ever get out
There you
of this?
go.
Alright?
It's easier to get out from the front, yeah.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
It's like the Titanic.
Yeah. You're too greased up with the.
Thank you. Oh, that's really.
Look at how my bro is wearing his pants.
All the swag in the world.
Swag, German style. The never-ending ascent. We still have 500 meters to go. It's been 2 hours. Pretty good. How you guys doing?
Awesome. I'm starting to feel it.
Starting to feel it?
I feel something.
I'm feeling my legs a little bit.
Yeah.
How you doing down there?
Can feel it coming.
I mean, like you can do that. I actually do need to do something, but.
Sun's coming through.
It's a pretty clear day too.
Yeah.
We're lucky. Yeah, we might be lucky to see the Pacific Ocean. That would be really cool. No, like, I think it's actually just like a fire ritual.
Oh, yeah, what's that? Campsite. Green is my favorite color.
That is epic. I like to smoke some green.
Touch a tree for good luck. It's the final stretch. You can see the sky opening up. What a beautiful shot, dude, honestly. Incredible. Incredible. How's the view? No view yet. Oh, I don't know, bro. It's 3,000 meters. We're at the top of the world. Look at that. What do you guys think?
It's incredible. Pretty.
Spectacular, yeah?
Ja, jag tänkte att det snävar inte ut delen.
This is cool. It was also just a huge volcano. Yeah, that's unbelievable. Unbelievable, yeah. But what would that have even looked like when this whole thing was just like erupting?
Last king. Yeah.
Are transparent?
So cool. Oh, in your hands.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
It looks like a
I'm
moth.
gonna throw it off me. Like the altitude? That's the kind of pink that we like. That pink, man. That's the good pink.
Starburst. Let's see it.
That's a pink, man.
That's the pink.
That's a pinks.
How was the hike?
It was amazing.
Amazing. How was the hike? Rad.
Fun, good views up there.
Yeah, you guys gotta try this one. Ya listo. Listo, listo. That was awesome. I put my thumb up and it really stopped. Holy. That's a good way to end an adventure.